Thule offer you the ability to change the cylinder barrels on your locks and insert the same ones into all of your products, so such one key will open them all, rather than looking around for separate keys each time. In order to do this with most of the products, it's fairly straightforward. You open the lock, you put in the master key, once you have that in, you wiggle the lock a bit with a bit of sideways pressure, and you can pull out the lock cylinder barrel. On the hitch carriers, it's a bit more tricky because the key won't come out when you unlock the lock. So at the moment on this lock here, you can see the position it's in. If I put in the key to unlock it, now you can see it's unlocked, but I can't get the key out. It won't come out. So what I need to do is return this to this position here and turn it to about here, slightly around 45 degrees. And you will find that you can get the key out there. Just find that position a bit. Yeah. There it is. At that point, I can put in the master key for unlocking it, which will open the last pin on the lock, which normally a key won't open. And with this particular lock, once I have that pin open, I can push it out from the inside. A bit of dexterity. And I can probably pull it away from the side too. But the lock can be wiggled out. We have there. So that's what you need to do to get that lock out. There you can see it come out. There's the lock barrel out. And this last pin here is the one that master key opens. No other key will do that.